What a beautiful day in Cape Town City. Wow, look at this, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Fun fact, I'm not too sure if you're aware, but Cape Town has been voted the most beautiful city in the world. Look at this white sand, beautiful beaches. Oh man, I'm so grateful for this moment. So in today's video, I want to share with you that lack is simply just an illusion. That's right. Lack is just an illusion, because according to mainstream science, everything that you can see around you now, you see there's rocks, ocean, me, people, everything that you see now is made out of energy. It's made from energy. So, but notice it is energy, singular, meaning that the same energy that is in me is in you, and the same energy that is in the ocean is in you. The same energy that is in money is in you. Now get this. Energy can not be created or destroyed. It is infinite. So in other words, you are infinite. Why? Because according to science, you are energy. So you are infinite. So the same money, or rather the same energy that is in money is in you. So in other words, the energy of money is already in you. So in other words, you are money's energy right now. What is money's energy? It's freedom, excitement, joy, safety, security, power. You are money's energy. You and money is one. Now, what if you are experiencing lack at the moment? That's a very good question. So what if you're experiencing lack? If you are experiencing lack in any area of your life, it simply means that you are entertaining it. Now, how you entertaining lack is by the story that you tell yourself, the ideas that is in your head. So, I'll give you an example. One of our clients used to entertain lack by saying that she can't afford, it's too expensive, and she used to actually see herself as a struggling business owner. She used to see herself as a struggling business owner. And I told her that, hey, you are already abundant. You're already wealthy. All you need to do is just ditch the story that you're telling yourself. So you are telling yourself a story every day. And I ask her, how many times do you mention to yourself in a day that you can't afford it? She's like, oh, so many times. I ask her, how many times do you say that things or stuff is expensive? She said, so many times. So I told her that if you tell yourself that you can't afford X, Y, Z, or this is too expensive, you are actually entertaining lack, because according to science, you are energy, and energy is infinite. So you are already abundant. You are already wealthy. You are already prosperous. Your job is just to remember who you are. You see, you just have to remember who you are. And within less than 3 months, our client, you can see over here, she not only manifested her dream home. I'm going to show you where her dream home is. Her dream home is in one of those apartments right there. This happened in less than 3 months. She's now living in that home right there. And get this, her business increased by 70%. You heard it right, 70%. Simply because she remembered who she was, energy. And energy is infinite. It cannot be created nor destroyed. Now, loads of our YouTube subscribers as well, when they've changed their stories, everything changed. For example, this video here, we have like well over 1,000 success stories. And we had a 3-day challenge. And during the challenge, we asked our subscribers to simply repeat in their heads, in their minds, that I always receive money out of thin air. I always receive money out of thin air. I always receive money out of thin air. And I'm telling you, if you go to this video right now, there are more than 1,000 success stories. And this is another video as well, where we did another challenge where we asked our subscribers to manifest millions just for fun. And there was like a few people that manifested millions for fun. But as you can see, when you change your story, everything changes. So I'm asking you right now, where are you entertaining lack? Where in your life or your business are you entertaining lack? Because the lack that you are busy entertaining is an illusion. It's not real. It's just an idea that lives rent-free in your head. It's time to evict that because it's not real. When you evict this idea in your head, everything changes. If you tell yourself right now that I am money's energy, I am safe, I'm secure, I'm free, I'm abundant, I'm wealthy, I'm prosperous, I'm powerful, I'm joyful, I'm excited, and money loves me, money spoils me, money sticks to me like super glue, money follows me like a puppy dog, money loves to spoil me, money is obsessed with me. Guess what? Money is going to do that because money is simply responding to you. Money is impersonal. Money doesn't judge you. It just responds to you like a mirror. So if I go to the mirror right now, the mirror is going to show me these glasses and a red hat. That's what the mirror is going to show, because the mirror just reflects who I am right now. Now, similarly to money as well. How you see money and how you feel about money, money is actually going to respond to you that way. So in other words, if you're feeling stressed, worried, and anxious about money, money is just going to basically show you that. And it's going to literally stay away from you because you're feeling stressed, anxious, and worried about it. But on the contrary, if you feel happy, joyful, excited, and grateful because you are now abundant and you have more than enough money, money is then going to respond to you that way. Money is literally just responding to you. Money doesn't judge you. Money just shows you who you are. So my question to you is, where in your life and your business are you entertaining struggle and lack? Because it's just an illusion. It's not real. Now, if you a business owner or an entrepreneur, you can take our free money frequency assessment. This frequency assessment will tell you where you're entertaining lack or struggle, and also if you are ready to take your business to the next level. Like this client, that client, that client, that client, then you can book a free business clarity call with me, and we're going to find out exactly where are you entertaining lack, where are you entertaining struggle, because I just showed, according to mainstream science, not even woo, you are already infinite. So if you are not living according to who you are, then you're playing yourself. You're literally playing yourself and you're wasting time. So I'm inviting you right now to say, hey, listen here, book a free business clarity call with me and let's discuss what is stopping you, because you deserve everything of the best and nothing less. That's right. Okay, I'll see you inside. Peace. Have a good one.